Alright, coming in through the front door, we have here, we'll zoom out a bit, we have our coat cupboard, which isn't a cupboard yet. Through into the living area. I guess this side here is the dining room, the fireplace unit, which you'll see from the other side in a minute, and this is the kitchen. So great view out the kitchen window. Most of the jib stopping's done. Concrete walls on the back side of the coat door, and there'll be some cabinetry there. And then this is our pantry unit, and through into the living area, and the view from here. And we'll go around this way from leaving the dining room area into the sitting area. And as everyone does have in their sitting area, they've got a drop saw. But this is our fireplace unit. So fireplace is a pallet fire that's covered up there, and there's a space for bookshelves in there. Moving down into our hallway, could be a bowling alley, but yes. Hallway here. On our right is our sort of utility room. There'll be a linen cupboard here. On this side is going to be our hot water cylinder, and then we've got a laundry area here, and sort of a place to take off our muddy boots, I guess. Back out into the hallway, and this is what sort of Jenny and I sort of calling the gallery. So it's quite wide, about 1.4 meters wide, way wider than a normal hallway, and it's got plenty of walls to hang stuff on, and there'll be a sliding door coming across here that we can close off in winter if we want to keep the heat down in the living area. As you can see, the walls, the concrete walls there, are made to soak up the sun, and in midwinter the sun came probably halfway or more up these walls, but at this time of year it's starting to get a wee bit warmer and the sun's getting a bit higher, so the sun is getting lower down the walls. One of the things the architect put in was some curtain track. Now realistically down this hallway there won't be curtains, but in the bedrooms there will be, so I'll show you what they look like a bit more. And the black line down the roof here, and carrying on down there, and also over on the other side there for some lighting tracks for that. Okay, first bedroom. This is this is actually bedroom 3, and it's sort of the main, I guess, guest bedroom. It's the bigger of them, got a ranch slider, and yeah, again all of them will have the head over this side, and when you pull the curtains back you'll see the wonderful view outside. And up here the curtain rail, curtain track, whatever, recess is there, and we probably got a bit carried away, but we've we've got the ability to have power come down under this, and yeah, the ability to have automated curtains and things. So yeah. And the architects put windows up there so that during the day we get plenty of light coming through from the north side to keep these rooms bright. Right, our bathroom. It's not huge, but totally adequate. Shower and toilet and vanity there. And whether it comes out in the video or not, this room is all skewed. So it's the walls, internal walls here at about 10 degrees angle to the outside walls. So yeah. Okay, so moving down again, bedroom 2. This is a bit smaller. It doesn't get a ranch slider, and this will probably be my office while I'm working. Yep. And I guess you've seen all the ceilings are plywood, which looks pretty cool. And then carrying on down to the end is the master bedroom. So we have a window to the north side, a smallest walk-in wardrobe, an ensuite. So we've got shower and toilet and hand basin, etc. Yeah, and like the other ones, when we're sitting up in bed here, we can look out at the sea. Cool. Well, that's the house. I'll come back online with a minor dwelling in a minute. Right, and this is the minor dwelling, which hopefully will be something like an Airbnb in time. So this is a small kitchen area. Let's start with the main thing. So it's pretty much one room with a little ensuite, but keeping an awesome view to the sea, and nice and bright and open, or plenty of warmth and sunlight coming in from the north side. And a little ensuite here, so a shower and a small basin, really small basin, and oh no, sorry, that is the basin, and the toilet's over here in the middle with a sliding door. So yeah, that's the minor dwelling. Looking from the north side.